Hello and welcome to the RinggitPlus Show. These days, more Malaysians, especially the younger generation, have become increasingly mindful of their health. Besides maintaining a healthier diet, we're also paying attention to what is probably the most important aspect of all, the water that we drink. You see, it's not just the amount of water that we should drink per day, it's also about the quality of the water that we drink. This is why owning a water purifier has become so common that even if you don't own one, you'd most likely know someone who does. Today, we'll be talking about a brand new water purifier that's just been launched in Malaysia, the LG PuriCare self-service tankless water purifier, and if you should switch from your current system to this one. Firstly, it's undeniable that owning a water purification system is highly convenient. The LG PuriCare water purifier provides instant access to clean and purified water in hot, cold, and ambient temperatures. Okay, other purifiers do this too. What's different about this model is that this is the first total self-service tankless water purifier in Malaysia. What this means is that those who own this purifier will no longer face the usual inconveniences that other water purifier owners do. First, you get a new filter system delivered to your doorstep every 6 months. Now, the LG PuriCare self-service tankless water purifier has been designed to be super simple to replace the filter system by yourself. All you need to do is just open the front cover and simply twist and pull. Just a few minutes of your time, once every 6 months. That also means you don't have to deal with a service technician to come to your place and do the same thing. Remember all those times when you took the day off for the technician, only for them to change their schedule at the last minute? No longer an issue here. And it's not just that. Having technicians enter your home, especially when you have elder folk or young children, raises potential concerns. When you switch to LG PuriCare, all these issues will become a thing of the past. You can also connect it to the LG ThinkU app, where you can easily check the status of your water purifier and set sterilization schedules anytime, anywhere, in just a few taps. A smart home for a smart consumer. This water purifier also comes with voice guidance, providing users step-by-step instructions for one-touch sterilization, filter replacement, and function settings. Next is health and hygiene. This water purifier uses a 4-stage all-puri filter system which eliminates 9 types of harmful heavy metals, bacteria, and 99.99% of norovirus, which reduces the risk of exposure to waterborne diseases. The tankless technology from LG PuriCare makes it possible to access fresh water that is free from the growth of microorganisms and remains fresh regardless of temperature. Meanwhile, the internal pipes are made from stainless steel, which are corrosion resistant and free from contamination. The auto-sterilization feature removes 99.99% of germs in the internal stainless steel pipes and outlet using high water temperature. This feature is automatically activated once a week, and if you wish to do so manually, it can be done with just one tap. All this combined means that you have purified water at all hours of the day. Remember, drinking unfiltered water or water that contains pollutants affects our health in the long run. So for clean, purified water, free from heavy metals and bacteria, the LG PuriCare self-service tankless water purifier takes care of that. Lastly, cost, of course, comes into play. For this model, users have the flexibility to either rent or purchase the water purifier outright. For rental, the rates are as low as 60 ringgit a month, which is actually the cheapest rate in Malaysia today, with 7 years of filter subscription. On the other hand, those who prefer outright purchase will save more in the long term. So there you have it, a convenient, tankless water purifier system that offers a total self-service solution, including filter subscription, easy filter replacement, and auto-sterilization, while still being affordable for both short and long-term owners. The LG PuriCare self-service tankless water purifier might just be worth switching to. Oh, and its 17cm compact form factor doesn't take up much counter space, and it comes in 3 stylish colors: navy blue, silver, and white. Perfect for the modern home. If you'd like to find out more, check out the official LG Malaysia website in the link below. And that's it for this episode of the RinggitPlus Show. We hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll catch you in the next one.